For all recipe notifications, click on this bell icon and never miss a video from Rajshri Food.
Bite-sized appetizers never go out of style. So today I'm going to show you one such recipe using paneer. Serve it as a party starter or as an evening snack. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani and today I'm going to show you paneer popcorn. Let's start with making the marination for the paneer. First I'm going to take around 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Into this, let's add in all the dry spices. Half a teaspoon of Chaat Masala, 1 teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Turmeric Powder and 1 teaspoon of Italian pizza seasoning. Give this a mix. Into this I'm going to add some salt. Next add in just a tablespoon of water. And now let's add in the paneer cubes. I've taken 400 grams of paneer that I've cut into half-inch squares. Let's add them in. Gently make sure all the cubes are coated with the marination. The paneer is nicely marinated and now I'm going to make the batter to dip these in. Take 3 tablespoons of plain flour or Maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give this a mix and now let's slowly add in the water. Make sure there are no lumps. This is the consistency of the batter that I need. And this batter is ready. I've taken around 3 slices of bread and I've just powdered them in the grinder. You can take white bread, brown bread, whatever you have at home. Let's just spread them over the board. And now I'm going to dip each piece of paneer into the batter. Make sure it's nicely coated and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. The paneer cubes are ready and now time to deep fry. After you're done with frying, sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala. One tip, if you're preparing this dish for a party, what you can do is you can dip the paneer cubes in the batter, roll them in the breadcrumbs and then place them in the refrigerator till you're ready to fry. Do try this at home and comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.